Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin by confirming permissions and account eligibility. Open your phone settings, allow Roblox access to your microphone. On Android, check app permissions. On iPhone, open privacy. Next, sign into Roblox and confirm your account meets voice, chat, age, and verification rules. This enables the feature server side. Finally, launch the Roblox app. Go to Settings, Privacy, and toggle Voice Chat on. Doing these 3 steps, first removes the most common blockers, so you can test audio without wasting time. Once permissions are set, focus on network and hardware. Use stable Wi-Fi or a strong LTE signal because voice packets drop on weak networks. Switch networks if latency spikes. Make sure no other app is hogging the microphone. Force stop background apps and reboot to clear audio locks. If you use Bluetooth or wired headsets, verify the phone routes mic and speaker to that device in system audio settings. This prevents the app from capturing the wrong source while you join a game. Now complete the process by testing and addressing remaining issues. Join a private server or party and ask one friend to confirm they hear you. Use the in-game mic indicator to see activity. If you're muted, toggle voice chat off and back on, rejoin the server, and reconnect your headset. Sometimes the app needs a reset. If problems persist, clear the Roblox cache or reinstall the app. That usually fixes corrupted audio components, and it resets permissions, so the system asks for fresh microphone access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.